This is exactly how to use the automated car wash. So firstly, we're going to pay for the car wash here. So you're going to select exactly how you want to be able to pay for it on this little monitor here, as you can see. So I'm just going to pay for my car wash here real quick. And once you have paid for it, you can now drive into it. Make sure to align the car in the center here and drive carefully. And you can see there's going to probably be green marks here that tells you to drive forward. And once they want you to stop, you will see a stop signal. It's going to say stop. It's going to shine red. So you will see it in a second. It's going to say stop here for me in a second. So I'm just going to keep going. And now I have to stop the car, as you can see. So complete to stop the car now. And then the windshield mirror here, or the back mirror here, make sure to also, of course, take it back. And all the antennas and stuff like that on your cars, make sure to remove that as well before you actually enter the car wash. Very, very important. Otherwise, the antenna might get damaged. So now what we need to do is to just sit back and watch this work for us here. As you can see, the automatic car wash. It is a bit scary actually, because you can see it coming like right towards you, but then obviously it knows exactly where your car is, so you shouldn't really worry about this. So just wait for it to finish, and once it finishes here, then this big door will open for you, you can see. And once it's open 100%, you will now be able to actually drive out. And yeah, you can see this is my signal now. I can drive out. And basically, that is exactly how you can actually use the automated car wash here. As you can see, it is not, it's not that hard.